Reading is not learning. Highlighting is not learning. Rereading is not learning. These feel productive. They're not. They create illusion of knowledge, familiarity, not understanding, not retention. This is the problem with passive review. Your brain tricks you. See something familiar? Feels like you know it. Recognition is easy. Recall is hard. Test comes, question asked, can't remember. But you read it multiple times, highlighted it, took notes. What happened? You practice recognition, not recall. Different systems, different difficulty. Recognition is passive, see answer, know it's right, easy, comfortable, but useless. For actual performance, for real application, you need recall. Active retrieval from memory. Active recall is the solution. Close the book, try to remember. From nothing. No cues, no hints. Just blank page. What do you know? Struggle to retrieve. This struggle is learning. The effort, the difficulty. This creates memory. Testing effect proves this. Students study material, 2 groups. Group 1 rereads, multiple times. Group 2 reads once, then tests themselves, repeatedly. Week later, both groups tested. Group 2 dominates by huge margin, every time, across hundreds of studies. The gap widens over time, immediate test, group similar, week later, big difference, month later, massive difference. Active recall creates durable memory, passive review creates temporary familiarity, fades quickly, leaves nothing. Why does this work? Retrieval practice strengthens neural pathways, actual act of remembering, changes brain, physically, creates stronger connections, more pathways, better consolidation. Passive review doesn't do this, just reinforces recognition, wrong system, desirable difficulty matters. If too easy, no learning. Brain doesn't engage, needs challenge, needs struggle. Active recall provides this. You must work, must think, must construct answer. From memory, this is difficulty, this is growth. Metacognition fails with passive review. You think you know because text is familiar, recognition feels like knowledge, but it's illusion. Active recall reveals truth, what you actually know, what you don't, honest feedback, accurate assessment. Rereading is comfortable, familiar, low effort. Brain likes this, feels productive, pages turning, highlighter moving, time passing. Must be learning. Right? Wrong. Comfort is enemy, difficulty is friend. Embrace the struggle. How to apply active recall. After reading section, close book. Write everything remembered. From memory, no peeking, struggle through it, get stuck, try anyway, then check. See what missed, study that. Repeat process. Flashcards are active recall if used correctly. Question on front, try to answer. From memory, no hints, then flip, check answer. This is retrieval practice, repeated, spaced, powerful, but only if you actually try. Before flipping, practice problems are active recall. For math, science, anything procedural, don't just read solutions, try problem, struggle through, get stuck, figure it out, then check. This builds skill. Reading solutions builds nothing. Teaching is active recall. Explain concept to someone else or to yourself in your own words. From memory, this forces retrieval, organization, understanding, reveals gaps immediately, brutally, honestly. Writing summaries is active recall if done from memory, not copying, not paraphrasing while reading. Close book. Write what you remember, complete thoughts, full explanations, then verify, correct, expand. This works. Self-quizzing is active recall. Create questions. While reading, then later. Answer them. From memory. No notes, no book. This is practice. Real practice. For real tests. For real application. Elaborative interrogation enhances active recall. Don't just retrieve fact, explain why. How does it work? Why does it matter? How does it connect to other knowledge? This deeper processing, stronger encoding, better retention, interleaving multiplies benefits. Don't practice one thing repeatedly. Mix different topics, different types. This forces discrimination between concepts, harder, but better learning, better retention, better transfer. The key is effort, mental effort. During retrieval, passive review requires no effort. Information flows in, flows out, nothing sticks. Active recall requires maximum effort. Brain working hard, this effort is signal to brain. This matters. Remember this. Most students avoid active recall. It's hard, uncomfortable, confronts ignorance, exposes gaps, feels bad. Passive review feels good, comfortable, safe, easy, but completely ineffective. Choose discomfort, choose growth, choose learning. Start now. Whatever you're studying, close this. Try to recall main points, key concepts from memory, struggle through it, then verify. Check accuracy. This is practice, this is learning, this is the method. Active recall applies everywhere, not just academics. Learning languages, skills, procedures, anything. Close the tutorial. Try it yourself. From memory, struggle, fail, try again. This is how experts develop. Through active practice, active recall. The research is overwhelming. Decades of studies, thousands of papers, clear consensus, active recall beats passive review. Every time, every measure, every context. This is not opinion, this is science, this is fact. Your study habits probably suck, if honest. Mostly passive, mostly comfortable, mostly ineffective. Change them. Starting today, practice active recall, deliberately, consistently, systematically. Watch your learning transform, watch your retention skyrocket. This is the way.